Welcome to our Silent Unity prayer service for June 2026. Our focus this month is living from oneness. So let's take a few moments to settle into our chairs, into this time and place, closing your eyes or dropping your gaze, allowing our attention to turn gently inward, connecting with the one presence and one power that we call God. As we enter this time of prayer, let us become aware of the shared field of life that connects all beings. Prayer is not confined to one place or moment. It moves through consciousness wherever hearts turn toward truth. We recognize ourselves as participating in this living awareness now, joined in one presence and one power. Divine life is active here, expressing as unity, intelligence, and love. And we take time to rest our awareness in this oneness. We settle now into the calm certainty that life is held in divine care. This assurance does not depend on circumstance or outcome. It arises from the deep knowing that God is present as sustaining reality. Peace fills our awareness and steadies our inner world. We remain composed and confident, grounded in the truth that divine order supports all that concerns us. Divine life renews us continually. With each breath, restoration moves through mind, body, and spirit. We allow fatigue, tension, and distraction to fall away as we align with the renewing power of life itself. Balance is restored. Energy returns. We welcome this renewal as a natural expression of our oneness with God. Vitality expresses through us as clarity, engagement, and ease. Life flows freely, animating thought and action with purpose. We recognize well-being as a spiritual condition that reveals itself as we remain aligned with truth. We live awake to the energy of life moving through us, responsive and present in each moment. Divine good is present and active in our experience. We recognize God as the source of all that supports and sustains us. As we remain open and trusting, supply expresses in timely and meaningful ways. Gratitude deepens our awareness of this flow, and generosity allows it to circulate freely. We live supported, provided for, and guided by divine abundance. Our awareness of oneness shapes how we think, speak, and act. We recognize the inherent worth of every life and the shared presence moving through all creation. Compassion informs our responses. Kindness guides our actions. Through conscious living, we contribute to harmony and healing in the world. Unity is not just an idea we hold, it is a truth we live. as our time of prayer and reflection gently completes itself, awareness remains awake and active. What has been recognized here continues to shape our living. Peace steadies our awareness. Renewal strengthens our being. Life moves through us with vitality and purpose. Trust supports our way forward. Love informs every interaction. We move ahead now grounded in oneness, confident in the sustaining presence of God. And so together we affirm, the light of God surrounds us, the love of God enfolds us, the power of God protects us, the presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and so it is. Amen. Thank you for showing up and being present with us today. God bless you.